The IoT era, where nearly everything can be controlled remotely. Now is the time to introduce remote control systems into semiconductor equipment. SHF RCS is simple and convenient. Installation is easy, and it's even easier to operate. It's a kind of modular equipment with independent hardware, so there's no need to install separate programs for production equipment. Therefore, it doesn't degrade the memory performance of the equipment. You can always keep the equipment in a comfortable state. There's no need to expand LAN facilities for remote control. Through the one IP communication system via the host network, remote control of all equipment is possible using just one IP through the existing network infrastructure. Even if the equipment has an operating system other than Windows, there's no problem. It works smoothly on Linux, OS/2, Unix, or any operating system. You can simply place it next to the existing equipment and make a simple connection to remotely control multiple units of equipment. A simple solution with super performance. SHF RCS is an innovative equipment that aids the growth of the semiconductor industry. Above all, it helps cut costs through increased productivity. The previous required 90-minute operation time has been reduced to 76 minutes after introducing remote control. If we consider a 14-minute difference per equipment as an average downtime reduction for 271 cases, it leads to an enormous time-saving effect of 3,794 minutes. It brings an improvement of 2.6 machine operations per day, and the equipment investment financial results saved 5.02 billion KRW. It also contributes to improving the work environment for technicians. While they used to walk around 6.3 kilometers per day for equipment inspection, after inducing the remote control system, it reduced to 2.8 kilometers, resulting in a remarkable 3.5 kilometer reduction in travel distance per person. This means that one technician can shorten their labor time by 54 minutes per day. Workers can operate in an improved environment, and companies can efficiently manage scarce labor resources. SHF RCS is a solution that benefits both workers and companies. Currently, the semiconductor production process of 8 major steps has achieved nearly perfect automation. However, SHF RCS has realized maintenance automation through remote control. It provides customized solutions based on the equipment, ensuring a smooth flow in the semiconductor production process. It supports virtually all existing equipment. Older equipment is not an issue. In any environment, SHF RCS successfully implements the introduction of remote control systems. Baron System, the developer of SHF RCS, holds patents for real-time remote control systems for semiconductor automation equipment worldwide. The company is positioned highly in the field of technology. Major semiconductor companies like Samsung, SK, Hynix, BD, High-Tech are already utilizing our remote control system. The world is changing, and many things have already changed. Baron System aims to contribute to transforming the lives of both companies and workers through semiconductor automation equipment. Bring in the SHF RCS. we'll find solutions to make any equipment achieve more efficient results.